Hey guys, what's up? It is Landon Gamer here, / Ultimate Pig, and today we'll be playing Meep City. I've already played a little bit, so let's do this. My couch needs to fit my TV. Okay. Okay guys, so where should I go? So guys, I'm gonna go over here for the kitchen. That's good. We need okay, there's our seat, guys. So, hey, stop it. I want to go. Yes, guys, I would do, a refrigerator over here, and also a lamp so we can see what we're eating. So guys, let's do this. I'm gonna watch some TV, guys. So 9 Cat's on. Woohoo, guys! 9 Cat is on. Let's go to 9 Cat. So what can I do with 9 Cat? 9 Cat, what are you doing here? Let's change it. Oh my gosh! TV off. Okay guys, so let's just go over here. Yes! Guys, I'm gonna complete this. Pig Cena's house. So where should I go, guys? Let's visit somebody's house. Oh, very nice house. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly. Oh, some posters. Okay. And what else is there? Okay, guys, so let's just do this. So, go, 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 go. Oh, there's a TV all the way up there. This guy has 2 TVs. Oh, I didn't know that. Let's go over let's change my avatar, guys. Edit avatar. So, I'm taking away this. So, and I'm gonna have blue hair, guys. So, and also headphones with a mic on. Nope, I don't need any of that. My shirt would be Nike. And my pants would be reddened. So guys, my face would be this. And what type of body shape should I be, guys? Oh, that. Muscle guy. I think that looks good, guys. So, now is there any mustaches I could get? I'll get the cool sunglasses. And anything here? Yes! So, guys, I'm going to take... who should I have? Sharky! Yay! I have Mr. Sharky! Okay, Sharky, here with me. Sharky, you took away my mouth? What is wrong with you? Okay, guys, I'm not having a mouth this time because Sharky took it away. What's this? Oh. Okay, guys, so now we'll get, guys, sorry in the background. Guys, now I'll get, what should I get? I'm going over. Rubber ducky. Guys! My avatar. JJ, come on, let's go. Okay, guys, come on, let's go. Guys, come on, let's go. Let's move it. Where should I go now? jump, jump, jump. Okay guys, so let's do this. Yes! So let's go fishing, guys. Okay guys, let's do this. Guys, I forgot how to fish. Okay. I want that fishy. Not fishy. But that's barely even any good. So guys, let's do that. That's terrible too. I think that'd catch a fish. I was right, guys. So I need some epic miss. Guys, let's do it. That was so close. Get it. Yes, guys, I got one. Okay, guys, let's do this. And why? Bro, get away. So, guys, let's get that. No, I need this. So, as I'm gonna exit, I'm just keeping some fish in my avatar. Oh, guys, now so I switched to a teen if you haven't noticed. So, what should I do? Good morning. Is that something coming soon, guys? I think that is. I'm going back to town. Hey, stop that. Okay, I'm going to school. Can I have an apple, guys? Guys, I got an apple. Run for your life. Run, I got an apple. Okay, I'll eat my apple. Does that taste good? I think it does, guys. So, where should I go, guys? I'm going to go back to my home. No, I'm going to sell some fish and then get some money, guys. So get up, go, 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 go. Are you okay, JJ? JJ, are you okay? I don't think JJ is okay, guys. So guys, I might play a little bit of this off camera, just to let you know. So if you see anything unexpected in the next video, it's because I played things off camera. So sell my fish. Can I please buy something? Shop. I have 156. How about for my meep house? A house is 150. Nope, I'm not shopping. Bye-bye. Let's do this, guys. Hey, stop it. Okay, guys, come on, let's go. I wish this was my skin forever. Okay, guys. Oh, X doesn't work. That's on Xbox. Yeah, I'll just eat my apple. Skateboard, what up? Do you have a skateboard? Hey, kid. Give me that. Run for your life. Run. Run. Help me. Help me, guys. Help me. Run for your life. Help me. Does she know I'm a kid? Oh my gosh, guys. Hi. I'm just going back to my house. I'm scared. Okay, I'm teleport to my house. That was really creepy, guys. I need to lock my house so nobody could get in. Only I can. Hey guys, let's let's go. Is there anything here I need? So let's see if there's anything here I have. So I have a bed. I'll take a bed. But I need to grab this and place it all the way. Does my character seriously have to walk with me when I do this? Okay, guys, so let's just grab this and put it in there. Oh, guys, I know this could be the guest bed right over here. And no, that could be where I sleep. And a bathtub could do well. Oh my gosh, guys, I just made another mistake. What should I do with it? I'm just gonna do nothing. Oh, this is my bathtub for later. I'm just gonna watch some TV, guys. And JJ, you could watch some TV too with me. Okay, let's see what's on TV today, guys. So power on. Nyan Cat. I'll switch the channel to Frog Dancing. Okay, I'll switch it to Peanut Butter Jelly Time. That is such a meme. Let's see what the next one is. Okay. Let's see what it is. Oh, cat! There's so many cats. Ah! Doggy! What's next on the channel? Whee! Oof! Let's see what it is. Okay. I want to go to Peanut Butter Jelly Time. Oh yeah, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Go, go, go. I'll go to bed now. Okay, guys. I'm going to bed. Okay, guys, so I hope it's morning now. Let's just check them out. So, guys, go, 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 go. Let's exit my house. Music. Did I get any mail? Nope, I got no mail. I'm gonna go give this guy mail. Can I give this guy any mail? Nope. I'm gonna go fishing. Guys, I'm so annoyed of that guy in the top corner. Jump. 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 Okay, guys, so I don't know what I should do. Okay, I'm going here. Fishing. Okay, let's go fishing, guys. I'm kind of bad at fishing. I'm way better on Xbox, guys. But this is computer, as you can tell. Oof! Here's. Oh, dang it. Here's fishing rod. Oh yeah, I got a yellow fish. Let's see what I get now. Oh, I got a red fish. I need to fill up. Okay, I got 3 fishes, guys. So let's fishing. Fishing, 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 fishing. There's so many people, guys. I know. Let's see if that can make it. Guys, so. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, so. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll just see you in the next video. Bye!